Hey, good morning, Lisa. Tameron here from Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. Thank you so much for showing interest in the beautiful 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. I got the one that you specifically inquired about pulled up right behind me. Please excuse the pollen, but I'm excited to show it to you, okay? So let's dive in. Here in the front, we got the beautiful cascading honeycomb grille with the adaptive cruise control sensor down below, LED daytime running lights. We got the headlights below, 19-inch, very sporty premium alloy wheels. This is your red exterior with the black cloth interior as requested. We got a 7-inch touchscreen display that comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We have the premium cloth interior, backup camera, all the safety features such as lane keep assist, lane departure warning, forward collision avoidance, and this one is all-wheel drive. But the best part about our vehicles, Lisa, are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 20-year, 200,000 mile powertrain warranty, and 3 years, 36,000 miles of free maintenance to you. All your oil changes, oil filters, tire rotations, and multi-point inspections are free for 3 years, 36,000 miles. I'm your point of contact. Again, my name is Tameron. My cell phone is 703-505-1598. Give me a call. We have our customers' safety, health, as our #1 priority. We've cleaned off all cars and services here at the dealership. We're still doing business as usual. Give me a call. Hope to see you soon here at Tameron Hyundai. You're going to love the way you're treated.